How we do? Do. Going off to school. Good morning. I just got back from dropping Ephraim off at school and it is time to make a coffee. And those moms at school this morning were crazy. I can't imagine what it's going to get like when it gets like really cold and rainy as well. I'm going to have to actually wear proper footwear too, aren't I? That's going to suck. These babies are not going to be good in the wet. Good morning, Missy. What you doing under there? I'm making some coffee. Do you want some milk? Do you want some milk? You love it when the sun comes through from the balcony in the morning, don't ya? You're soaking it up. Accidentally made myself an extra strong one this morning with like double the amount of coffee. Whoops. Ooh, that's strong. I'm doing pretty good this morning. I slept pretty alright, which is actually fairly good for me, and I'm feeling good, which is good because I got a lot to get done. Keep the cat, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Until she's sitting on your chest when you're trying to get stuff done. I mean, I love you too, but do you have to sleep on me? Ew, look at that dribble right there. That is one happy cat. Alright, I kicked her off because she was dribbling on me and it's gross. And I have to get stuff done for tonight. So it's just gone 12:30 in the afternoon and I've just had a huge sneezing fit that has thrown my back out and shifted my ribs, and it really I tried doing some stretching and moving around to try and shift them back into place. They have a little bit, but it's still really sore, so that's going to make things fun. Good thing we're just having a low-key movie night tonight at youth. No running around or anything, but I really needed to get the rubbish out and a couple of loads of washing done, all of which require bending and lifting. So, yep, this is great. Just another day in the life of having EDS, right? 1 minute you're feeling good and being productive, the next minute something shifts and yeah, not so much. Hey guys, so I'm here at the church getting ready for youth group tonight, and I just made some moldy donuts for later. Hey guys, so it's nearly 11 o'clock at night. I'm home now from youth group and young adults. It was a good night. I fell asleep watching the movie at youth group, so that was pretty funny. It was a good night. I'm pretty tired, so I'll probably try and go to sleep soon. There's a few things I want to catch up on first. Pretty low-key, so not too strenuous, which is good, and then I'll get some sleep. Okay, it's 12:30 at night and I am tired, so I'm off to bed. Thanks for coming on my day with me today. Night, guys.